Hi guys, as promised, I'm going to show you how I meal plan. So it all starts off with a menu. I have a type A personality, so I like to plan. I plan 15 meals each week, but you don't need to plan that many. You can just plan 3. Now, after you actually plan what you're going to eat, it makes it so much easier to do your list. This is the final menu, but let me show you what it looks like in the planning stages. This one's from May. You see how the meals are on one side, and on the other side are all of the ingredients that I need to make these meals happen. Oftentimes, I don't need to buy the entire list because you have staples, you don't run out of everything every week. And typically, planning 5 meals leaves me with extra the next week. I break it down into breakfast, lunch, and dinner, snacks and drinks, fruit and veggies, and in our house, fruit and veggies are also snacks. The next part is really important. Make sure you have a Walmart membership or you use Target so you get the same prices in store that you get online. You're gonna shop online so you can get exactly what you need and not get distracted. You also have to know when to order. I like to order on a Friday for my weekly groceries. Do not order on a Sunday. Do not order on the 1st. Even if you get EBT, do not do it. The reason you want to avoid this is because everybody and mama gonna be there. That some of your things might be substituted. My child and I eat well no matter how much money I have. But this is how I can tell when I am trying to take my dollar stretch. Look at those processed sugar, the snacks. You see how we have the brownies and all the wafers and all that? That was a good week. All of the snacks you see are homemade snacks. That's how I save money. Honestly, they're much better for you. Our meals don't really change dramatically. We still get to eat the same quality of meals, the same portions and everything. It's just the snacks. The snacks are so damn expensive. I really hope this helps because I understand a lot of people were not taught how to grocery shop. I was not taught either, actually. Got a story about that. I like to make sure we're having balanced meals and we meet all of our nutritional goals. Let me know if this helps, and also let me know if you guys have any more questions about meal planning and grocery shopping. I'm here for y'all. Mwah. With or without EPT.